ready?
Yep. Yeah.
You gonna get it, Sparrow? You get it? Is that your toy? Was it stuck? You want the toy? Toy? Lizzie's gonna take it. Look at him. Can you see his teeth? You gonna take it, Lizzie? Lizzie says, hey, I take it.
The Bonevator.
Hey, Lizzie. What's wrong with you, Sparrow? You want it, Sparrow? You want it really bad? Uh-oh, you made me drop it. We have to start all over at the bottom.
Take Ropey too.
Oh, he's got a piece of Ropey. You got Ropey?
It was a sneak attack.
Help! Help! Look at Lizzie just quietly walks over. Just here, I will take that. Thanks. You upset, Sparrow, that Lizzie, she took it, Sparrow. Lizzie took it. She's chewing on it now. You want Ropey instead?
Trying to pick up the Ropey.
I can't pick Ropey up with this very well, Sparrow. It's too ropey. You got a piece of Ropey.
You gotta drop Ropey.
Oh. Sparrow, it's not gonna fit. Uh-oh, you dropped Ropey. We gotta start over.
He still has a piece. On the other side, he broke it. He keeps ripping it off.
Got Ropey? Oh, I got Ropey. Ah! Lizzie, you want Ropey now? Uh-oh. I dropped Ropey, Lizzie. You want Ropey? You're so pretty. Okay, you can stop.
Okay.